beautiful Nono Obis, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we bring up controversial topics or videos going on the internet, and we'll come here to dissect it a little. Today's video is very, I might say it's a touching video kind of for some people, but for me I think it's touching video because the reality is, when you know you're not going to have a long-term something with someone and you see that person is interested in having a long-term something with you and is investing in you, and you know you are not interested, please and please stop eating the person's money. Stop milking the person when you know at the back of your mind what that person has in mind for you is not the same thing you have in mind for him. Okay, the reason for this video is because of a man, an Anambra pastor, who committed suicide after love jilted him. I don't know if you guys have seen the story, but it's actually what I need to talk about on this my channel, because I don't know where this video is going to come across. I don't know who is going to watch it. See, it's what we call deceiving. You are deceiving, be it a man or a woman, you are deceiving the person, and you will surely have the fruit of what you did. If not that year, but coming years. It could even be when you get married to another person. The cost that person lay on you will come back to you. If you don't love a guy or if you don't love a lady, and you know this relationship is no longer a relationship, it has gone to another level, it has gone to another stage, you know it has gone to another stage because you know how much that lady or that guy is investing in you, be it education or your business or whatever it is, or your family. You already know that this person is going an extent that ordinary boyfriend will not go. If you've not yet known the person's intention, you can ask the person, why are you doing all these things for me? You have the right to ask. Yes, if the person has not made the intentions known to you, you can ask the person, why are you doing all these things for me? And if the person tells you the reason why he or she is doing it, and you know that you're not planning to have something long-term for this person, please kindly tell the person, I like you as a person, I would want to be with you, but you see this, you see that, you see A, you see B. Politely tell the person in such a way that the person will understand you. I don't say you should lie, but even if you can even go to the extent of using genotype or anything, just something that is politely, that you're going to politely tell the person doesn't see it as a boot or you're jilting him, or you're, you know, because some people have different ways of taking pains. Some people are very fragile, and that person you're dating is somebody's family, is somebody's child. Now this pastor is gone, their family is going to mourn him, they will cry, and you're living and walking about and feeling happy. So you should be considerate with somebody you're having something to do with, because the person also has a family that is going to miss him, and not everybody has this strong, heavy breakup heart that I will move on, I'll be fine. Okay, probably this is the only girlfriend that this pastor has, because many pastors have different girlfriends. Probably this is the only girlfriend that this pastor has, and he couldn't take it, and he died. It's crazy, right? But he did. And when you go to the comment section, you will see so many things that somebody even wrote something that was very touching. I don't know if I can see this comment here today, but somebody wrote on the comment section that she had relatively breakup like this. That one was, she said that the guy was dating the friend and they got married, and she saw it, that she almost died, that how she survived today she doesn't know. We should be very careful with dealing with people. If you know you don't want a long-term something with somebody, stop deceiving the person, stop riding on with the person, and at the end of the day you know that you're not going to continue. Tell the person in time when you see that things are still going overboard, why are you doing this? Or if you already know the right reason why the person is doing it, tell the person, slow down, stop these things you're doing, let's see how the future goes or what the future holds. You can politely say this, and the person knows, okay, fine, this guy is telling me to stop all these things. Maybe she feels at the end of the day we might no more work out. At the end of the day I might see somebody that I love more, things like that. Okay, because so many things comes together with this societal thing. When you tell them you don't want again, how you've been deceiving them, how you've been eating the money, how you've been looking into their eyes when they're trying to profess love for you, how they've been saying the plans they have for you, the plans they have for future, how you've been concurring. So many things go on into their head before at the end of the day they commit suicide, or before at the end of the day they kill themselves. So but when you say, when you're honest, when those things are going into their mind, they remember all those your honesties, and they won't be able to kill themselves because they won't feel deceived. Some people don't take deceive. Somebody said here, Mumu pastor, where you go they sponsor women for school in this century. Lots of life, lots of laugh. I'm not calling a person a Mumu pastor. I can't do that. Even you that call the person a Mumu person can do it for somebody else. Pastor couldn't leave the matter in the hands of God, but if not another person now, pastor will say, my brother, leave it in the hands of God. See, I just hope the family members of this pastor don't come to this comment section, because these people are just wicked with their comments. They're not anywhere considerate that this could happen to anybody. It could happen to anybody. We shouldn't judge this man differently because he's a pastor. It's something anybody can go through. Especially if you're dating this kind of girl that is like serpent. You think she's with you. You don't know that she's not with you. You don't even know if the pastor is one man, one girl person, and slowly believed in whatever he's planning with this girl. So guys, we should just be careful with the way we treat people. Especially if you know that the person you're dating is not somebody you want to get married with. Please just stop the relationship. It's better. You know when you're dating somebody and it has gone out of a relationship, this is going into plans for future. You know when you're dating a guy and he's so much taking care of you and everything around you, your mind, you will have this feeling that I think this guy wants much level. And you ask him, why are you doing all this? You can do that. And if he tells you, I'm doing it because I love you, you're my girl, I want you to look good, it's okay. And if he tells you, I'm doing this because I love you and I have plans for you, we have plans for the future, we have the... If you're going to talk more, then you know that I have to tell this guy, we can't continue. You're from this state, I'm from this state. I wouldn't want to end up in this state. Can we just date normal and see how it goes? And just reduce the hand of what you're doing, if that is the reason you're doing everything you're doing. So guys, what do you think in the comment section? Because this is the reason why some guys, even though when they love you, they don't want to partake in your life, so that they won't be called Mumu at the end of the day. So what do you guys think in the comment section? Do you think this pastor has done something wrong? Do you think him being a pastor, he should be able to take the bullet? He should be able to deal with the shock because he's a pastor? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Just put it down in the comment section so we'll talk about it. So I'll read and see what you feel about it. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a higher range of people for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.